Most photography channels on YouTube are run by so-called photographers who are fantastic at selling you new gear. I'm not that guy. I'm Justin Mott, and I've spent the last 20 years of my career working as an assignment photographer based here in Hanoi, Vietnam. I've shot over 100 assignments around the world for the New York Times. I shoot commercial ad campaigns for Fortune 500 companies, editorial assignments for the biggest publications in the world, and personal projects rooted in powerful storytelling. This is what I do. This is where my advice comes from. This photography channel is for photographers at every single level. Beginners, amateurs, working pros, but it's specifically for people who want more out of their photography than cliches. If you're tired of that same shaft of light image, the same empty composition tricks, and you're ready to put in the real work to find your own voice and tell stories that actually mean something, this channel is for you. What I talk about here comes directly from 20 years of real assignments, the decisions, the mistakes, the way a working photographer actually sees and thinks. Guidance, accountability, and direction. No shortcuts. And if you want to go even deeper, I run a paid photography community over at AskMOTT.com where I help you work on real projects, give you monthly assignments, feedback on your images, and exclusive resources for our members. In addition to that, I also do one-on-one coaching, portfolio reviews, a mentorship program, and workshops in Vietnam and beyond. So subscribe if you want something different with your photography, you want to push, you want to improve, you want to be part of a community of like-minded photographers. Subscribe to the channel and visit AskMOTT.com. I'll see you there.